Hello everybody, I'm Parvez and this is our 21st video in Python for data science and our 7th video in Matplotlib. In the last video we have covered how you can control colors in Matplotlib. In this video I'm going to show you how you can control lines in Matplotlib. For example, instead of these kind of lines you want to be a dash line, you want to be a dot line. You can do this simple in Matplotlib. For this, I'm going to make a new Python file. Let me close this Python file. Line controlling. I'm importing NumPy as np and import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, now I'm going to define a NumPy array and the range of 1 to 6. After that I'm going to make three line plot. Okay, the first should be x, and I give the line should be like this, dash, like this, plt.plot, and the second line it should be dash like this, and the third line x plus 4, it should be like this, dot. Okay, now I'm going to show this. If I run this, you can see that now we have a different we have dot line, we have dash line, we have like this. You can control this by yourself. Okay, thank you. This was our line controlling. For the further videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.